Hey, today I'm showing you guys my technique to get snatched faux blonde brows on dark hair. Let's get into it. First, take a loose translucent powder and pack that into your eyebrows. Next, with the spoolie and your highlight concealer shade, brush the product back and forth through your brow hair only. Try avoiding your skin as much as possible. Then, with a white foundation or concealer, brush that product upward, forming your desired brow shape. Take a neutral off-white eyeshadow or powder, set the concealer, then clean up the brow shape with the white. Carve out your brow shape with your cream bronzer. While the bronzer is drying down, take a yellow beige eyeshadow and draw hairs throughout your brows. As you're blending out the bronzer, lightly tap the brush in front and around the brow shape to diffuse the harsh edges. Then with your contour shade, place it where you would highlight under your brows. Blend, then with the flat brush, take a beige and white eyeshadow and press that slightly below your brow shape. Then use your bronzer powder to blend all that out. Alright, so my juicy secret to snatched blonde brows is to make the eyebrow look dimensional. You do that by taking different tones, low and highlight shades from your blonde hair or a reference photo and creating small strokes throughout the brows. Snatched. Okay, yes, this is how you get those snatched faux blonde brows, baby. This is me finishing my makeup look, y'all. This is my hair color so y'all can see the different tones I was talking about, and this is the finished look. Tag me and let me know if you guys used my technique. All right.